Can you draw this cute sheep? Grab your pencil and let's draw it together, step by step. Draw a letter U. Draw a cloud shape to draw head. Draw ears. You can draw ear between head and face. Repeat the same for left ear. Draw horns, it's same as ears but in upward direction. Size will be little bigger than the ear. Repeat the same for another horn. Spot 2.1 in horn and another one on face to draw the body. Connect these two dots by making a big cloud shape. This will be a body of sheep. Let's draw legs. It's simple, just follow me here. Draw hoofs. Draw another leg and hoof. Draw other sets of legs. Repeat the same as we did in the previous ones. Draw a tail, it's another small tiny cloud shape. Draw few 3-digit kind shape in the body, this will give a nice look. Draw eyes, just draw a tiny circle and color it with black. Follow the same to draw other eye. Just write a letter Y. This will be a nose and mouth for sheep. Draw few grass shape around sheep. Color the hoof with brown color. Repeat the same for others. Color the horns with brown. I am giving a light shades to give it a real look. This is optional, if you don't want to do, just ignore it. Shades give sheep a nice look. Let's color grass with green. Congratulations! Nice! You drew and shades a nice sheep. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.